Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Absolutely love to have you here. So I want to cover this quickly also on this YouTube channel. So this is my last deep hypothesis for crypto gaming tokens. So if you look at the biggest gaming tokens of the last bull run of 2020 and 2021 bull run, they were Axie Infinity and Gala Games, right? So if you look at the Axie Infinity and Gala Games charts, they were at the super bottom prices, like 50-cent bottom for Axie Infinity, and then it went all the way up to $10. So that's 20x, and then it dipped 60% to like $4, and then it started its mega uptrend to $150, basically making like 50x from these bottoms. So if you look at, let me show you, if you look at the Gala Games, it had the similar pattern. So it had the super bottom prices, and then it went all the way up here, like 20x, then it came back, similar, like 60% down, and then it started its uptrend to literally like mega gains, right? So if you look at the one of the tokens, for example, that I cover in the inner circle that I covered here, highly recommend you check it out. Check out the first link in the description if you want to join, where I cover all the tokens that I'm buying. So this is one of the tokens that we made, a lot of people in the inner circle made 10x with, Lit Lab Games, and this is super bullish token for the next bull run. So you can see the similar pattern here. So we have the bottom here, and then the uptrend, then basically from the bottom prices, you can see it's super violent, super like fast, right? And then if we have this, if we follow the same pattern here, and if we have the final dip in Q1 of 2024, we might retest this level, okay? And that's pretty much around 2 cent range or something like that, 1.5 maybe 2 cent range, and then the real bull run starts. If we look at the like these charts at the same time, we were at the super bottom prices, and then we tested that low again. We didn't go back to low like so I'm talking about, like, we will, if we have the bottom have the last dip here, we will not come back to like the ultimate low prices. I think that I think that we will not see the bottom prices anymore. But I'm telling, like, saying here that we might, and this is not like it's going to 100%. It's not, nothing is guaranteed in the markets, right? But this is something like I've been looking at into that. I do think that this might happen here, so that's why I'm covering here, to get you aware if it happens. Like, if you have a big positions right now, be ready. Like, if we have a dip, we might have a dip from here. Okay, and if you don't have positions, be ready, like we might have a dip, so you can add more. And ultimately, the best strategy is still the dollar cost averaging in. So right now we are here. Even if we just like trade sideways, dollar cost averaging in, if we start pumping, you can still kind of like dollar cost averaging at these prices because we are early bull. Or if we go down here, we can start dollar cost averaging in the downtrend, because the biggest gains are yet to come. Like, this is just the starting, you know what I'm saying? So so that's my initial thoughts about here. And yeah, the pattern, the chart looks super similar right now, because it was super bottom. Right now we might come back, if we have the Q1 of 2024, we might come back here at the low price, and then the bull run really starts. We will see what will happen, but ultimately I think that from here, so at the end of 2024, I think that we will be at so high prices, or very, like, a lot higher price than right now. So these prices, I think that even right now look super low. So if you look at like the chart of like Axie Infinity, even though these prices here, like right now, it's only on this chart it shows that it went to $20. Axie Infinity went to $150. So that's a pretty nice gains, right? So I think we might have those still from here. You know what I'm saying? And if you are in the right peaks. Anyway, so this was the video. Okay, I just want to cover this. I'm not telling you that it's 100% guaranteed that we will have the last dip, but this, for me, this is interesting. It's fun for me to do this, and yeah, I think this might happen. Of course, these are just like draws. I'm just drawing lines on the chart. Some like but we will see. I personally think that we still have the last dip in, at least the probability for it to happen before the bull run starts. I really hope that we have the last dip, because then we can go so much higher. If we don't have a last dip, it will just basically go. If you look at like 2017, we had on like it will just like go up, and then it comes down, and that's the bull run. It's like super fast. It like it like blows it like super fast. But if we have right now, we have the bullish trend, but then we have a dip and cool down a little bit, and then the bull run starts. We are already up like multiple axes from the bottom, and then when we go up, it will be just like insane. It will go so up. So I really hope that we will have the last dip, but if we don't have, we are going up anyways, in my opinion. So it's a win-win right now because I already bought positions here. Okay, so anyway, this is just like hypothesis. I'm not a financial advisor. This is not financial advice. What I'm looking to do right now is, of course, dollar cost averaging slowly on projects, and also I'm looking to stack some USDT and stable coins on the side, and potentially have that money for a dip. And because if I, like right now, if I like start stacking some USD stable coins that I would normally dollar cost averaging in, and I just stack them and wait. And if we have this like if we have 60% down, like my capital like is like 2x bigger. I can build 2x bigger positions than right now, which would be like it's significant. It is significant if you're buying bulk, like if you're buying a lot. So that could be something that you might want to be looking into. If you already, well, that's the case if you already have built strong positions in 2023. If you don't have positions right now, I think the best strategy is like no-brainer dollar cost averaging in. Because in 1 year, the prices are going to be higher, in my opinion. Anyway, thank you so much. See you inside the next videos, and see you inside the email list and inner circle. Check out the first thing in the description to join. Thank you so much, and peace out. Thank you.